Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Ahí va de regreso.
The repair of the Apple Road emergency phone. Can you hear me? Yep, loud and clear. What phone will you...
Ellie, just hang in there.
Okay. Oh, I'm scared.
Right there, in the hood, right?
¡Son tubos de escape!
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello, face! Drop and give me 20 miles!
They fight over what Ferrari was the best Ferrari. Which one of them looked more like a...
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Aha, laugh it up. Good one.
Thank the manufacturer, you're alive!
Mac?
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish it.
Have fun fishing, mater.
crew.
I tell you, don't.
Trent, what the heck?
Oh man, that's just great.
Hey, what's wrong?
My lucky sticker's all.
Out there, thank you.
Hey, Rook, first one to California gets Dynaco all to himself.
Ah, no!
Lightning McQueen!
Good job.
Thank you so much for having
Ramon, Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like.
You, Stanley, you sure knew how to treat a girl. Oh, by the way, I never did.
Strange. Lightning McQueen must be killed. Trooper responding. Where's Mater? Right behind. Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for what?
One, you're old. Accept it.
I told him that.
He's probably losing his hearing.
He's... Are we to care for those travelers if there is no road for them to drive on? Luigi?
The only one seeing this, right? Incoming!
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat his cry baby bottom to.
Con questi bulloni del cavolo, le mie chiavi non funzionano!
What's he saying? Wayne's idea. He felt HUD would have wanted you to have it.
I